Big screen entertainment at home has evolved far beyond traditional televisions, and this ultra-short throw 4K laser projector proves exactly why. Designed to sit just a few inches from your wall, the LG HU915QB delivers a massive cinematic display without the need for ceiling mounts or long cable runs across the room. It is built for people who want theater-level immersion in a clean, modern setup. At the core of the experience is true 4K UHD resolution at 3840 by 2160. On large screen sizes, that pixel density makes a real difference. Fine details in movies, sharp subtitles, textured backgrounds, and high-resolution streaming content all look crisp and refined. Even when stretched across 100 inches or more, the image maintains clarity that feels premium and polished. Brightness is equally important, and with up to 3000 ANSI lumens, this projector holds up well in real-world environments. You are not forced to watch only in complete darkness. With moderate ambient light, the picture still looks bright and punchy. In darker rooms, it becomes fully cinematic with stronger contrast and deeper visual impact. HDR content especially benefits from that brightness, adding intensity to highlights and realism to scenes. Color performance is another standout feature. With full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, this projector reproduces a wide range of colors that look rich and accurate. Reds appear deeper, greens more natural, and skin tones more lifelike. Whether you are watching high-budget films, animated features, or live sports, the color reproduction adds realism and vibrancy that enhances the overall viewing experience. Instead of a traditional lamp system, this model uses advanced 3-channel laser technology. Laser light sources are known for longer lifespan and more stable brightness over time. You do not have to worry about frequent bulb replacements, and startup is quick and convenient. It powers on fast and is ready for viewing without long warm-up delays. That reliability makes it practical for everyday use, not just special movie nights. The ultra-short throw capability is what truly changes the setup experience. Placing the projector just inches from the wall allows you to achieve a massive screen without running cables across the ceiling or mounting hardware overhead. Keeps your room looking clean and uncluttered. It also prevents shadows from passing in front of the image, which can happen with traditional long-throw projectors. Smart functionality is built in through webOS 6.0. The interface feels smooth and intuitive, similar to a high-end smart TV. Popular streaming platforms are accessible directly from the projector, eliminating the need for an external streaming device. Navigation is simple, app switching is responsive, and content discovery feels streamlined. Of course, multiple HDMI ports are available for connecting gaming consoles, media players, or other devices. Gaming on a screen of this scale is a completely different experience. The massive image size increases immersion and brings new energy to both single-player and competitive titles. Sports fans also benefit from the expanded view, as stadium scenes and live broadcasts feel larger and more engaging. It turns everyday viewing into something that feels special. The design itself is sleek and modern, built to complement contemporary living spaces. It does not look like office equipment. Instead, it blends in with minimalist furniture and premium home setups. When not in use, it remains subtle. When powered on, it transforms your wall into an expansive entertainment display. Built-in audio allows immediate setup out of the box, making it functional without extra hardware. For those seeking a full theater experience, pairing it with a dedicated sound system or high-quality soundbar will elevate immersion even further. Overall, this projector combines true 4K clarity, impressive brightness, wide color performance, advanced laser technology, and integrated smart features into a single premium package. It is designed for those who want a large-screen cinematic experience without sacrificing style or convenience. If you are considering a serious home entertainment upgrade, this projector deserves attention. For the latest pricing and availability, be sure to check the link provided in the description.